We're doing a fairy floss review today. Have you seen one of these before? It's a vending machine that you can pick the design you like. And guess what they're making? Fairy floss! Ooh, it started. Can you see it coming together? This is so satisfying to watch.
2,000 years later.
We've been waiting patiently and it's nearly done. We're so excited and can't wait to see what it looks like and how it tastes like. Are you ready?
Is it really fairy?
Open sesame! Wow, this is so cool! Let's get it out gently.
Taste time. Okay, this cotton candy is rainbow flavor. Alright, let's have a taste. Oh my god, this is actually so good.
These are the designs. Can you tell which one we got today?